Next victim. Haven't done one of these in a long time. I've had this thing for a while. I think we're gonna bring it out under the tent out there. I think we might bring it out there. I think you and I can carry it. I'm gonna bring my power outside, I think. You know what? We'll be all right. We'll be all right right here.
You found something, pick all the copper up.
What?
Pick all that copper.
It's out there. There's empty ones out there. 2 of them out there somewhere. That's where we'll throw our screws. Bill. How cool is that? Look at that, nice wire in there. I can use this thing. I might can use that. I'm going to save that just in case my welder thing is so cheap it doesn't work. I'll use this one. All right, let's get this thing apart. We just did a radiator. Billy's picking up all the ends. Got a little breeze blowing on us. Bolt at a time. Bigger. Get all this size. We need a quarter driver. Quarter driver, the red one. I think it's the red one. I think. Yeah, right here. See if it's that one. Somewhere back here, there's one I've seen. Right over here, on the other side.
Yeah, that's a big one.
No, Billy, it's on the other side. This one. Use it. Billy can't hear. Oh, there's more drills. Get another one. I got one. All right. Go. Oh yeah, it's got a big old copy in it. Oh yeah, look at that transformer.
Wow.
Look at that transformer right there. That's a big one.
There it is.
I like that.
Wow.
Yeah, we'll pull that out and see what's on it. Looks like all kinds of stuff up here too. Sir. Yes, sir. I like that.
Built a screwdriver. I can knock that fan off. I can get that off.
Yeah, I think you can. All right, I'm gonna start cutting this off. This looks like a lot of
part.
Not sure.
Right.
Yeah. Here you go, Billy. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this stuff. This thing has a weld on it. That means I can break it. Oh, my word. That is aluminum wire. Oh, man. That's nasty. That could mean that this transformer's aluminum also. Aluminum wire. Got a couple more Phillips screws in here. That goes in the metal in the blue barrel back there, motors. Figure out how that thing is mounted. Oh, I see. That whole thing comes out. Whole thing will come right out of there. I think a big old aluminum transformer. Oh, come on. Everything I see is aluminum. Things pop right out of there. Oh, cut that strap. Yeah. There's aluminum. There's something in there. I don't know what that is. Yeah. Take it off. Might be something good. Might be something good. I like to take it out.
Yeah.
A couple screws. See what's on the other side of it. I know it's a dial, but if that brass will come off there, or if that's copper anywhere down there, I just want to see. This. One side of it is aluminum. 100%. You can tell it. Is this side aluminum coated? Find out in a minute. Oh yes, the whole thing is aluminum. So I'll see here where this come from. This is definitely copper. Definitely aluminum. 100%, whole thing, except for maybe one piece. I don't know about that either. Huh. I think it's welded together. That ain't coming off. All right, so I don't know what they'll pay me for that. That's all aluminum. Garbage. Now we know. Oh yeah. Solid aluminum. Oh yeah, it's just everything. All right. Definitely not taking it apart, although it's very interesting. Heavy. Interesting. My word, that thing's heavy. 100 pounds, maybe 80 pounds. What's in that thing, Bill? Let me see it.
Like a copper.
Maybe.
Copper pieces on it.
Oh, it's all aluminum. Copper coated aluminum. It's garbage. Yep. The whole thing's trash. Even this.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna give me nothing for that. I don't know. There's too much steel on it. Well, it's out of my garage at least. It's out of my garage. These, if they're clean, no plastic like that. If I could clean these up with no plastic, they would go as #1 steel. But I think they're more work to clean up than it's worth. Yeah, more work than it's worth. I don't believe it's worth it. This is some better steel though. This isn't your regular ordinary steel. These are very sought after. But they'll burn you for it. There's not a price at my yard for that stuff right there. So yeah, that's heavy. Throw that in the back of my pickup. Throw that in the back of the Ford. I'll at least ask them if they'll give me more for it. Yeah, we're just tearing apart whatever we run across today.